All right, Hanukkah 660 stock filter. This is all the sealing edge you have to seal against this. Modified foam filter. Now, sealing edge with the foam versus this stock hard sealing edge. And this goes on like this. And you can run your cover now. The cover will bolt. It just takes a little finagling, but it will fit. I'm going to pause it to show you. All right, the foam filter is in it now. And it's a little snug, but it does close up. You're still able to operate everything. And it does fit now with the modification. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off. And when you take it off, it will come out. The filter will be inside this. And now you'll have, put your little thin coat of grease around this area. And you have this whole area to seal this whole area up to help prevent, you'll have this whole area, contact area, all right here.